in harmony with nature's most stunning tropical surroundings, enhanced by the artistry of world-class architecture and design. A prestigious Caribbean atmosphere with friendly, attentive hospitality, all overlooking a calming turquoise cove with spectacular views of Cozumel Island. Welcome to Club Melia's Paradisus Playa del Carmen. Here you'll discover sublime luxury, the utmost in spa relaxation, delectable delights, and a harmony of fun and sun for grown-ups and kids alike. Whether you're seeking a secluded and romantic retreat, or days filled with family smiles and laughter, this luxurious, all-inclusive resort seamlessly combines both. Less than an hour from Cancun's International Airport, and only steps away from extraordinary beaches, unforgettable Riviera Maya attractions, and of course, elegantly appointed suites. Stylish, modern, spacious, luxurious. All suites have been created to serve a single purpose: the realization of all your vacation needs.
We have a beautiful swim-up room. All of us love the pool. The beds are unbelievable. They're just so comfortable, and there's enough space for all of us, and it's 5-star all the way. I feel like when I know when I'm coming to Melia that I'm going to get a top-of-the-line hotel, regardless of the destination. It's like a fantasy for a week. It's just amazing.
Lounge poolside in the warm Caribbean sun. Enjoy multiple pools, one designated for the kids and another only for the adults, with a convenient swim-up pool bar serving refreshing premium brand cocktails. While the children indulge in a wide array of organized activities, refresh your senses and rejuvenate your soul with a specialty treatment from the world-renowned G-Spa. An adventure around Playa del Carmen is as rewarding as a day spent at Paradisus. Walk and shop Fifth Avenue. Dine at family-owned local restaurants. Cruise through a local village. Then discover a refreshing afternoon at Cenote Azul. In Playa, fun, sun, and adventure are only limited by your own imagination.
Vacations are so important to our family. Between work and school and all of the kids' activities, it's nice just to have the time all to ourselves to relax and enjoy the pools and the ocean and just spend time as a family.
After a day loaded with plenty of smiles and laughs, fun and adventure, take your senses on a tour of the culinary kind. Choose from a huge variety of remarkable restaurants. Dine on-site on delicious global cuisine. Your taste buds will experience a mouth-watering adventure of their very own. Experience your next unforgettable vacation in the Caribbean under the warm Riviera Mayan sun. Serene, breathtaking, mesmerizing. This is the luxurious Club